In this video, you will learn how to open a file and how to close a file. Okay, so before we start how to open a file and how to close the file, we are going to learn a naming in a file. So a file is identify its name. It contains two parts. One is file name and second is a extension. Okay, so we know very well. So input.txt file. So input is a name and txt is a extension. Okay, now in order to open a file, okay, we need a file pointer. Okay, that is a file which is defined inside a studio.h header file. So it is a structure of the file. Okay, whenever we want to open a file, we need a file pointer, okay, that will use to open and process a file. Okay, this file is a pointer which contain the information about file, mode in which the file is open, number of address and pointer to that file, and most important, it is under the stdio.h header file. So how to declare file pointer? First include stdio.h header file and then write down file space name. Here name you can give anything name, okay, but it is fixed file capital. It is a structure data type. Okay, now to perform a read and write operation, file must be brought into memory from the storage device, and this process that copy a file from disk to memory, which is called opening a file. In order to open a file, the syntax is fopen. First argument is character file name, that is a character array, and the mode in which you want to open a file. Okay, so the fopen is a function that is under the stdio.h, and that will open a file in a specific mode that is given by here second argument. Now the mode may be read, write or append. So we have declared one file pointer fp. We are opening a file, name is my file in read mode. Okay, if anything happen, file will not open, it will return a null, a null equal to null, condition true, so it will print error. Okay, so whenever file any error in opening a file, it will return a null value. Now different mode are available, that is first is R, that is open a file for read only. If file does not exist, it will return null. Same way W, that open a file for writing only. Okay, if file is already available, all the content of the file are destroyed and new blank file will be created. Okay, so here if file is already available, content will be deleted. If file does not exist, new blank file is created for writing, and return a null if it is not unable to open a file. So writing only, read only. Now A, that is for append. Okay, add the data at the end of the file. If file does not exist, then new file is created, and return a null if unable to open a file. So this is basic read only, write only and append. That is for text file or ASCII text file. Now RB means open a binary file for reading, open a binary file for writing, that is WB, and append the binary file for AB. Same rule is applied, that is read only, write only. If does not exist, the content will be deleted like your text file. Okay. Now few modes are available, that is RB plus means we can perform both read and write. Okay, WB plus means we can perform read and write on a binary file both. AB plus means we can perform read and write with the in a append mode. So in a first case, we have only read, write and append respectively. Here we can perform all the stuff, yes, on a binary file. Same way for text file, we have R plus, okay, for read write, W plus for read write, that is a existing file or create new file, and last is for append. Okay, so that's all mode. Then in order to close a file, okay, we have to use fclose function, and just we have to specify a file pointer. So the syntax is general. It will close the file which is pointed by fp with the help of fclose function. Fclose all function will close all the file opened previously so far. Okay, so there are two functions, fclose and fclose all. Fclose will only close the file which is pointed by fp. Fclose all will close all the file that opened previously. And last that we want to discuss, that is a how to detect end of file. If the file has continuous large data, okay, now in order to detect the end of file while reading, a special symbol or the special character that is which is known as EOF is inserted into text file, that is known as end of file. So whenever we are reading a file, so termination condition, that is a EOF, end of file. Whenever this character is achieved, okay, the end of file occurs.